This is the ultimate tire shredder McLaren P1 drift car with a 1,000 horsepower rotary engine that was created by Mad Mike. He only had 3 months until the Goodwood Festival to build a drift monster, so he teamed up with supercar specialist Lanzante to transform a McLaren P1 into a dedicated drift car, combining the monocoque of a McLaren 650S with P1 GTR components, calling it Mad Max. They replaced the P1's original twin-turbo V8 with a 1,000 horsepower billet 20B3 rotor engine and paired it with a massive Garrett turbo. The steering was modified to allow for 900 degrees of rotation, making it perfect for extreme drifting, with the bespoke aero kit being designed by Mr. Rocket Bunny K. Miura. With 20 pounds of boost, flames shooting from twin exhausts, and custom knuckles adapted from Mike's RX-7, Mad Max is a fusion of McLaren, Mazda, and Mad Mike's signature madness, and it was built in just 100 days.